Hey there! It's time for another episode of this Tech Tips series. In this Tech Tips series, we are diving into the exciting world of Powtoon. This episode is part of the Animation 101 Tech Tips series. In the previous episode, we explored how to add animations to your Powtoon project. In this video, we now explore how to add transition and timing to your Powtoon project. Are you ready? Let's start. Adding transition. To begin, locate the slide panel in the left corner of the studio and hover over it. Click the three dots to add a new scene. You can either choose Add Scene, Blank Slide, Extend, Save Scene, Delete, or Duplicate. To add a new slide, you can simply click on the Blank Slide button. Once you click the blank slide, a transition icon will appear between slides. To add a transition, click on the transition icon. A menu will appear with options including Basic, Executive, Stylized, and Camera. As you hover over available transitions, they play automatically, giving you an idea of how they will appear in your project. To preview the transition, click the first slide, drag the play head to the beginning, and click Play. You can verify if the transition was added successfully by checking if the transition icon has become darker. Timing the object. To add timing, you need to go to the timeline below. Here, you can see the available objects that will show on the stage. Adjust the object according to the beat of the sound, or according to your narration. To do this, simply drag the right and/or left edge of the object from the timeline. To preview the timing, reset the playhead to the 0-second timeline and click Play. You can also use timing to add more animations by using the A to B animation. To do this, click on the objects on the timeline. Make sure to remove any preset animation effects on the object. To remove the effect, just click on it, and a pop-up will appear. Choose No Effect. You can then shorten the time frame of the object by dragging the white line. To apply the A to B animation, hover over the object and click the Settings button located above it. Click on the A to B animation button. You will see that the object turns into two, with the front layer object as B and the back layer object as A. To start animating objects, drag the B object to your preferred position. A dashed line will appear, indicating where the object will move from A to B. To preview the animation, click on the outside of the stage. Reset the playhead to the 0-second timeline and click Play. To continue the movements of the objects, click on the B object, right-click it, and select Copy. Next, click somewhere on the stage, right-click, and select Paste. Reset the playhead to preview, and click Play. You will see that the object stayed, displaying continuous animation. To add more movement, repeat the process of moving from point A to B. You can also adjust the speed of the movement of A to B by simply dragging from the timeline this three-dotted horizontal line further to the right or left on the timeline. To preview the animation, reset the playhead to the 0-second timeline and click Play. And there you have it! You can now start to add a transition and timing to your Powtoon project. In the next Tech Tips episode, we will learn how to add pre-made scenes to your Powtoon project. See you there!